Hi, Dan here for the Pocket Studio Sessions, and welcome back to Endless Summer Bandcamp. In today's episode, we're going to be going over how to play the drums for the first part of my song. We start out with 3 measures, just keeping time, counting 4 with the hi-hat pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, for 3 whole measures. And in the 4th measure, starts out the same way, but on beat 3, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right on the end of 3, a buzz, tap on 4. The next measure, we have a crash accent and no hi-hat, just snare and bass. So 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and Next measure starts out with a triplet on the bass drum. So it's triplet 2 and open hi-hat. So triplet 2 and 3 and 4 and. These next measures are where we bring in the hi-hat, and we have a 32nd note that's a little bit of a tricky sneak up with the left hand. So check it out. It goes 1E and 2E and right on the end of the second beat, we got to bring up that left hand for a really quick 30 seconds. So I'll play through that again. 1E and 2E and next it's 3E and 4E and the next measure, more of the same. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and so on the end of 4 we have another snare. In the B section, we're going to have a bunch of crash accents to bring out the chord changes in the ukulele, guitar, and piano parts. But mostly we're just riding that hi-hat in 16ths with that constituent beat with the offbeat accents on the end of 3 with the bass drum. And we also have a couple of those tricky 30-second rolls on the hi-hat, as well as a couple cool fills. So it starts with 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and So between measures 3 and 4, there's no chord change, so we're not going to have that crash accent. We just continue with the same constituent beat, but we're going to start a pretty cool fill on the end of beat 2, on the of 2. So starting in that 4th measure of the B section, we have 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and Just to break down that fill without all the counting, we have snare, snare, tom 1, followed by 2 kicks, tom 2, tom 3, and then another 2 kicks. All together very evenly with 16th notes. So 3E and 4E and For the next cycle, we bring it in with a crash accent. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and again here between the 3rd and 4th measure, we're not going to have a crash accent, but the end of this 4th measure will also have a different fill. It's just going to be the same constituent beat. 1E and 2E and 3E and on beat 4 we have triplet between both the snare and the floor tom at the same time. Triplet. So that's how to play the opening of my song. Don't get too caught up if you're uncomfortable subdividing 16th or 8th notes or triplets or any of that. Really just put together the mechanics and then play along to the playthrough.